Stay in the studio. Okay, it should be working right now, I think. It is working. Oh, thank you, Leo. You are the best. It says X is having error now. Okay, YouTube is working now. What is not working is X. Hello guys on YouTube. What's the password? Okay, let me type it real quick. So that's the password. You guys can see on the screen. I want to type it here in the chat as well. So that's the password. Wait, on X should be working, no? It's not working for some reason. Hello, Yer. Long time no see. Welcome. Yeah, for X is it keeps saying there's like an error, so I'm gonna have to like log in again on X. But for that we need Edward. We need to log in again to X, I think. Yeah. Well, you guys can see the screen, right? On YouTube and Discord. Yeah, perfect. It says pending activation. Where do I insert the password? Please help me. On the website. On your dashboard. Competitions. I have enrolled, but what then? So once you enroll, you should be receiving your credentials, and then you should be able to start trading already. I'm new. How are we gonna trade it? Are we gonna use MT5? Yes. You should be receiving your credentials. Okay, so for today we're gonna just do YouTube and Discord. Okay, guys, so we're ready. Let me just share. Okay, so for you guys, let me go 1 second. So we are almost 70 people here in the chat. 1 second. Hello, everyone. Okay, I think we're ready. So, live streaming right now on Discord and YouTube. Okay, we have a special gift today. But this special gift is only for you guys. But let me see. Okay, you guys are able to join. You're already trading. What the hell? Let me see gold. You're selling gold? Okay, yeah, makes sense. We're still ranging, but nice sales. Damn. He already trading gold. Okay. So we have, let me talk to you guys. I think we're ready. 1 second. I think I got everything. So I got 2 things that I want to talk about today, besides obviously the tournament. So one, I don't know for you guys if you know already, but we just recently released our platform, our app. So you now can have your dashboard, all your information. You don't need to go on the website, type on Google, whatever. No, you can just do it on your app from your phone. And let me show you guys 1 second so you guys can see it. Let me show you guys. We're gonna watch this together. This is a new app, by the way. We're gonna watch it together. Yep. So this is the new app that we have. It's gonna be available for you guys on on your phone, either for Google Play or App Store. So you're gonna be able to check your dashboard, just the same things that you do on the on the website. Also for the tournament, you can check the tournaments from your phone, from the app. You can request a payout from the app. So yeah, I hope you guys please download it. Also for you guys that obviously like to get all those rewards, all those points from the website. If you download I don't know how many points it was. I think if you download the app and share the screenshot on the website for the rewards, I think that's like 40 points or 20 points. I can't remember. So there's a bunch of things that you can do. So make sure you are downloading the app right now. For those of you who are obviously watching on Discord, I want to see every one of you sharing a screenshot that you got the app. Let me see. Before we continue with the tournament, I want to see that you guys have the app on your phones. I want to see at least, let me see like 3 screenshots. Once I see 3 screenshots, we're going to talk about the next gift that I have for you guys. And I don't know, but I think some of you will like it more than the tournament. Let me see those screenshots. I did the vote before. I never got a point for it. You need to, so for the points, you need to do the screenshot. You need to share it on the rewards website. And then if you have any issues with that, you have to talk to support and they will definitely help you. Okay, I have 2 screenshots right here. 1, 2 screenshots, 3 screenshots. Okay. Everyone watching on YouTube, I know you guys cannot share the screenshot there, but let's do this. We are almost 40 people watching on YouTube, and we are like, how many people on Discord? A lot. 70. Okay, I see all the screenshots. Now, I have a special link with a special offer for you guys that you guys are gonna love it so much. But I'm not gonna share it until we have, how many people are we? 30. 30 people on YouTube. I want everyone to like the screen, to like the YouTube live stream. I want everyone. Each of you who are watching this, you need to like the live stream. And everyone on Discord, okay? If you want this gift for you guys, you're gonna have to spam the chat with W's. I wanna see W's. Everyone. We have almost 70 people watching this. I want everyone to spam W's right now. Like I don't even want to be able to see the chat. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, so you guys, perfect. I still can see some names. I want the chat to like go super quick with W's. Okay. So, okay, you guys can stop now. You guys can stop now. Who can guess? Give me 1 second. Who can guess what the gift is? I know a lot of you are gonna like it. I think it's a great idea and an amazing opportunity for a lot of you. Who can guess it? On YouTube as well, you guys. Okay, I see the W's on it. Good job. That's what I like, man. Okay, perfect. I think we are ready. I'm gonna share the link very very soon. Let me just find it real quick. Give me 1 second. 1 second, guys. I like how active you guys are. Nice. Oops. Why am I so bad at? Let's see. Okay, like this. Okay, I'm gonna share the link first on Discord. Okay, are you guys ready? If you guys keep typing, you guys gonna miss the link. Just wait. Don't stop texting. Stop texting. You guys are gonna miss the link for 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna share it once. Ready? There you go. I share it. Hey, you guys are gonna miss it. Let me share it on YouTube as well. That's the link with the offer for you guys on YouTube. You're gonna have to copy and paste it. Okay, that's the link. Copy and paste it. I'm posting the link with my NosaFX account. Okay. Now I know you guys on Discord missed it for sure because you guys don't stop typing. That's the link again. And now let me explain what we got right here. You guys are ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, this is an amazing opportunity for you guys. So, with the link, obviously, first you need to type your email and then you can claim your account. Now, let's say you want to trade with a 5K or 15K or 100K, whatever, whatever you can afford or not afford, right? So, this is a great opportunity. And why, Adrian? Why is this a great opportunity? So, like you guys are reading, you pass first and you pay later. So any account of your liking, it can be 5K, 20K, 50K, 100K. You only pay $5 when you buy the account. Okay, so you guys can trade it, whatever. You only pay once you pass. So for example, the 5K account, you only pay $5. You try to pass it, you don't pass it, it's okay. You only spend $5, which is better than paying like 40 or 50 or 70 and then not pass it. So you only pay $5. Now, it's the same thing. So for example, this is the 2 steps for the 1-step account, sorry. The target is 4%, no daily drawdown. The maximum drawdown is 8%, and the minimum trading days is 1. Okay? Leverage is 1 to 100. In the gold account is up to 150. All right, but news trading is allowed and weekend holding is allowed. Now, let's say you pass this account, this challenge. You only gonna pay the fee after you pass, so it's gonna be like 70, 76, 70, $70, which is amazing. So I think it's very affordable for you guys. Let me see. Unlimited time. You can take. There's no a time limit. There is no a time limit to pass. Let me share the link again. And why this is great as well. So for so many people who cannot like really afford it, it's nice because you only pay 5, and you make sure you only pay like the full amount once you pass. That's better than paying the full amount at first and then losing it. So you only pay $5. I don't even have $5, man. Sorry about that. But it's also great for people who like have like regular jobs. Let's say, what day is today? Today is the 12th. Let's say I still need to pay rent or whatever. I don't have much money, and you know how they always sometimes they have like offers. Like right now we have I think Valentine's offer for GFT, which you guys can use. I believe it's 40% off. But let's say you don't have the money until you get paid by the end of the month. You can just buy an account for $5. Let's say you pass it by the end of the month or next month, you already got paid, so now you can afford it. So I think this is a great account. So I'm sharing here the link again, so you guys can have a look and explore. Let me share it as well on YouTube again. Okay. Competition password. Give me 1 second. Sharing this right now. So for the competition, for everyone who's new right now, just make sure you go to log into your dashboard. It can be on the website or it can be on your phone. Remember that we have the app right now. It's an amazing app. I think right now it's probably one of the best ones in the industry, if not the best one. Super smooth, super user friendly. You have everything there. It's super simple to use. You can check your dashboard there, your stats. You can request payouts. You can see everything. So just go to competitions. Once you go to competitions, make sure you are choosing this one, GFT weekly live stream competition number 2. Okay. View tournament, join now, password. Okay, that's gonna be the password. And just click on join now. Okay. I cannot join, but you guys can. By the way, how many people joined so far? Oh, I can't see. Do we necessarily have to use the app when I have the website? No, you don't have to, but it's just one more choice for you. You know, some people prefer having an app than going the website and typing go find a trader.com whatever. You know, sometimes it's just easier to just do everything from an app. Let me share that's the password for the tournament. There you go. That's the password. Deepak right here. Okay, you guys can see everything. Perfect. Sadly, I don't have an international payment card. What do you have? Can you not pay with your normal card? I think you can pay with crypto. Can you not? Let's wait. Let's see. Visa. You can pay with crypto as well, I believe. See? So that should be fine. Yeah. You're asking if you can pay with Binance. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's Binance or any other platform. As long as you have like a crypto wallet that you can, buy crypto, sell crypto, whatever, you should be fine. So you can pay with your credit card or debit card, and you can pay with crypto. It should be completely fine. Is the password for competition? The password is this one. That's the password. It says pending activation. Are you guys able to get your accounts already? So for everyone who joined, do you guys get your account already? Let me know on the chat. Anyone joined already? No. You got it? Aditya Mitra got it. King said no. No. Why no? We have joined but no pass or ID. Can you guys check your emails right now? You got it? Okay, you got it. Okay, do you guys see your credentials on your email? Let me know. No? It's a competition. But Aditya, did you join the last competition as well from last week or not? Okay, let me see. Pending competition. One sec. Okay, let me see this. Competition. Password is not working. Make sure you're choosing the right competition. So let me go back again. Competitions, okay. This one, GFT weekly live stream competition number 2. Okay. Yeah, you don't have to pay for the competition. Oh, bless me. Password is the password. What about you guys on YouTube? You guys able to see it? Does GFT actually? Yeah, of course. I bought a 50K, 5K account, but I was not given the account and credentials. Are you on Discord, Monster Trader Forex? If you're on Discord, let me know, because I cannot really help you from YouTube. But if you're on Discord, let me know. Let's see how we can help you get your account. It is like not able to see the ID or password. Let me see. Okay, what do you see? So go find the trader, log it. Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. So you didn't get any credentials, right? Okay, so it basically says that you have to wait to receive confirmation email. Okay, I'm checking this with the team. Give me 1 second. What is the monster? Who was that guy on YouTube? Invalid password? No, it's not invalid password. Just make sure you're choosing the correct live stream. Okay, the correct tournament. So this is the tournament right here. If you choose a different tournament, obviously the password is not gonna work. Just make sure. Vega Movies. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Make sure you're choosing the correct tournament. You got your account? Okay, so you got your account. Ravi says pending activation. Yeah, that's the password. Yeah. Let's see, man. Let's see. Now again, let me just real quick share this. So for you guys who didn't see, I don't know if you guys heard, but recently we just released the new app for GoFundMe traders. So everything that you do on the website, now you can do it just from the app, which is way easier and more simpler. Okay, we are looking into the tournament. So apparently, it's not letting anyone in. Let's see. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. We're looking into this. Don't worry. Don't you worry. So right now, why don't we talk about gold for the meantime? Okay. Yeah, it might be a glitch. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Last tournament was actually amazing. I didn't expect. See, the last times I used to run tournaments a few months back ago, not with GoFunded. I think the maximum of people that we had in the tournament was like 40. And last tournament we had over 1,000 participants. That's crazy, guys. That is crazy. Let's talk about gold. I'm obviously bullish on gold. Gold is very, very, very choppy at the moment. Why? We have a bunch of news. We had NFP. Today we had some news. I think it was what was it? I forgot, but it barely moved the market. And but tomorrow we have CPI, and it's on a Friday. So yeah, not many more trades for me. Not many more trades for me. This is what it looks like on H4. If I go to M30, this is what it looks like. But it's just very choppy. You see, the price is really not going anywhere. It's just ranging from this here price right here, and that's the bottom basically. Now, looking at H4, okay, I want to say this is my bottom zone. This is my resistance zone. Why don't I move my zone to like here, right? Because right now price is here. It's very simple. Although it is creating this new range, this is small range right here. it's very, for me, I do believe that it can just take all the liquidity from all these wicks right here, still tap into this zone, and then go up. We're gonna see tomorrow. We have an important news tomorrow. So for me, I'm not buying. I don't know if you guys remember from the first live stream that we did. Not last week, the week before. There was no tournament, obviously, but I did buy around here. I'm still holding. I have some other buys around here and some more here, but I'm not adding any more positions. Give me 1 second. So, okay. Oops, sorry. Let me go back to gold. So I don't really teach. Are you guys watching on YouTube? Everything? Okay. Hindi language? No, sorry. I only speak English and Spanish. Icon activation pending. Yeah, I know. We are looking into this. So for you guys who trade gold, I don't know how many of you guys are trading gold currently. Okay. I do not teach, but I do make a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. And I'm thinking on creating kind of like so obviously we do the tournaments every week. We talk about everything every week. We might play some games, but I don't know how many people are interested on trading gold or learning how to trade gold. So if you guys are want to learn how to trade gold, let me see in the chat. So I know before I was asking for W's. I don't know what letter can I ask for. Let me see. X. If you guys want to learn how to trade X, I want you to spam the chat with X's. Okay, we got a few. We got a few. What about YouTube? Okay. I see. Okay, I see. Now, gold is very volatile, so you need to really be patient and master it. Now, I don't believe on over leveraging on gold. I try to go slow, but slow is always fast at the end. Okay, so the way I trade is very simple. Although yes, I have some EMAs. The most important one for me is the 50 EMA. So right now I'm looking at H4. Okay, obviously if I go to H4 or daily chart, the trend for me is bullish. So that means that I'm only looking for buys on gold. Now, yes, we had like a nice rally, and then we had this big ass drop here. So okay, what I like to do, I like to trade, not to trade, but I like to mark the ranges. So as you guys can see, gold is basically, we can say that gold is basically ranging from here all the way to here, and it's currently unable to go past this zone. I believe this is like 5,095 to 5,000 to 100. Okay. Nice. Now, once I find my support zone, okay, if I miss this first rally, I'm just gonna wait. Obviously, we didn't continue pushing from here. Okay, so I will just mark this zone here on the top, and I keep my zone here at the bottom. Now I just wait for price to come down here. Now when we are approaching this zone right here, I like to go to M30. And now once we are in M30, I start looking for pullback. So we go to this zone, no entries, no entries, no entries. Okay, now I see this wick and it push up. Okay, so that was my first entry. Stops below. Okay, comes back, boom, another bullish engulfing candle. This will be my second entry. So right here we have two entries running. My next target, my take profit will be here. Now, if I show you my MT5, which I can do right now, I have a few positions running. I haven't closed, although it tapped my take profit already. Why? Because I believe gold is bullish and it's still bullish. I do believe that at some point we're gonna break through this resistance zone right here. So I'm still holding. Now, once we break through this zone, and I don't mean breakthrough like price going here like it did before. You see this wick? I'm looking at these zones on H4. So that means that I want the price to close, okay? To close above this. Now, I know we have this candle here that look like it closed above, but it closed just exactly on the same zone. And I don't like that. It has to close above it, okay? So once I have price closing above here, I will add another entry, but I'm holding on my positions because after this, I believe the next possible range for take profit will be here, and after that, we can target all-time highs. Okay, so once we break through this zone, once we break through here, this is my first target. This is my second target. It's pretty simple. Same thing if I go on M30. For example, the zones that we have right now, okay, it's very choppy, so I don't like to trade in the middle of nowhere unless we are bouncing off the range, bouncing off my zones. For example, like whenever we bounce from this area right here, I don't mind entering and putting my stop below. We haven't got back to it, so no more entries. Now, I know some people like to sell, but for me the main trend is bullish. So although we keep bouncing off this resistance zone, I don't like to sell because I know eventually we're gonna break through here. Now, how you guys doing? Are you guys also trading gold? What else are you guys trading? Let me know on the chat. What else are you guys? I lost my everything in trading and nothing left. Damn. You lost everything? Gotta be careful, man. I trade funded accounts, and I also trade my personal life account. It's still growing and going very slow. Actually, all my positions from gold that I'm holding, I have one on my funded account, but I have like 6 positions holding on my personal account. But although I could use more a higher lot size, the only lot size that I use on my life account on gold is 0.01. That's it. I think right now I'm like floating like almost like £1,000, $1,000. But yeah, could I higher my risk? Yes, but with gold, you never know. Like you can have some volatility. Right now we are ranging. You can still like come back down. I don't. If I'm in drawdown with gold, I want to be able to just walk away and not look at the chart without worrying. You know what I'm saying? And I know a lot of people, gold is this asset that you can make a lot of money with gold because it's so volatile, but you can also lose a lot of money. That's why I said before that slow is fast with gold. I was trading 1,000 for $1, but I lost it yesterday. Sorry about that. You mistakenly opened the position. It happens. Sometimes we have human errors. This reminds me so much back in 2022. Yeah, I think it was like 2022. So I finally passed phase 1, and I was close to pass phase 2. Mind you, I never passed an account before back then, and I was so close to passing phase 2. And I know there was some news, but I was trading gold, but my MT5 was lagging. So I pressed buy, nothing happened. I pressed buy again, and if I was finally buys. Now what I didn't know is that I was actually holding 2 positions. So it hit my stop loss, but because I had 2 positions instead of 1, it blew my account. And then it went back. It went to my take profit. And then I was checking my chart. I was like, there is no, because I was confused. I was like, how did I get an email of my account breaching if I was not risking more than the daily drawdown? I had 2 positions open in gold. So yeah, these things happen, but just gotta be more careful. Competition credentials not coming. Yeah, we're working on this right now. So sorry about that. We are working on that. But yeah, I know some of you guys already have the app for GoFundMe, which is amazing. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer the app or the website? Let me do a poll actually. Website or app? Website, app. Look, you guys can vote here. I want to see. What about you guys on YouTube? What is the login details? So, please, what is the competition password? Yeah, give me 1 second because we're having some issues with the competition right now. But let me check. The password is, I got it right here. Right here. For how long is this competition going to last? So it lasts I believe it's 5 days, so until next week. Yeah, 5 days. The last competition that we did, let me see. We had over 1,000 participants. Oh, it's not loading. Why is it not loading? Oh well. You're showing error. Can you share a screenshot? Or what do you guys see? Yeah, we're working on that. For some reason, it's not sending the credentials. For some reason. You say your account also breached because of daily drawdown. So, I mean, some people get it confused. If you have a floating position, right, you haven't closed it, but that equity, if your equity goes below the daily drawdown, because sometimes when you breach an account, it doesn't close your position like straight away. You know, sometimes like your equity just drops a little bit, like below or the same equity to like the 5% or 4% that you can lose, and then goes up a little bit, but it then closes your trades. It's like, oh, and I think I account, oh, I lost $470 instead of 500. Why did I breach my account? But that's because your equity, at some moment, it went below the daily drawdown. You know what I'm saying? Can you just tell me what I should do since my account? We are working on that. So I'll let you guys know in the next 10 minutes.